Dear Minister, dear Mayor of Žabljak, dear entrepreneurs, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to be with you today here in Žabljak, in this nice setting, nice location with a sunny day, to promote once again another step of a successful European project implemented in Montenegro.
Uvaženi ministre, poštovani gradonačelniče, poštovani preduzetnici, veliko mi je zadovoljstvo da prisustvujem danas u Žabljaku u ovako prelijepoj sredini, u ovako divnom danu i da promovišemo još jedan uspješan projekt koji finansira Evropska unija.
The last time we met in May, I think it was in Plevlja, where we funded through IPARD like one hundreds of farmers.
Prošli put kad smo se sreli, to je bio, ako se ne varam, maj u Plevljima, mi smo finansirali stotine farmera.
Today we are one step further in the food chain, if I can say so, dealing today with the food business operators like you, to improve your own facilities and to provide additional funding to meet the EU standards.
Danas mi smo ovdje jedan korak dalje u lancu hrane, sarađujući sa mnogim prerađivačima hrane kako bi popravili njihove kapacitete u smislu dostizanja standarda Evropske unije koje se tiču bezbjednosti hrane.
This project is again a good example of cooperation between different bodies. The European Union is funding this IPARD-like grant for about, in this case now, for $1.5 million. The Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development is co-funding it for about $500,000, and all this project is being implemented under the World Bank.
Ovo je još jedan dobar primjer saradnje između Europske unije i ministarstva, lokalnog ministarstva, jer Europska unija finansira ovaj projekat sa €1,5 miliona, a kofinansira ga Ministarstvo poljoprivrede sa €500,000.
You are many entrepreneurs who are getting funds through this call and through this grant, but what I would like to stress today is how important is this project on different aspects.
Vi prerađivači dobit ćete ova sredstva kroz ovaj projekat, ali ja bih želio da još jednom naznačim koliko je bitan ovaj projekat sa više aspekata.
First of all, from the economic point of view, investing in new facilities, improving your assets as food business establishment will provide you opportunities for growth, and then hopefully will provide you also opportunities for job creation in rural areas.
Investirajući u vaše sposobnosti, vi ćete moći da popravite vašu proizvodnju i da to će dovesti do otvaranja novih poslova u seoskom području.
Through some investments that will be made also in your facilities, some of you are going also to try to export outside Montenegro, giving visibility to high quality products being made in Montenegro.
Razvijajući vaše gazdinstvo, vi ćete biti u mogućnosti da neke od vaših proizvoda i izvezete van granica Crne Gore, čineći na taj način crnogorske proizvode vidljivim i na širem tržištu.
And finally, also from the economic point of view, your investments are making a difference not only in, let's say, the food sector, but also with other companies, with other sectors of the economy in Montenegro, when constructions are involved, for instance, or when buying, purchase of equipment is also involved.
S ekonomske tačke gledišta vi nećete samo unaprijediti vašu proizvodnju, nego ćete unaprijediti saradnju sa drugim sektorima, kao što je, na primjer, kupovina opreme koja je potrebna za vas.
So if you are the direct beneficiaries of this contract and of this grant for investment, there are also many indirect beneficiaries.
So ako ste vi direktan korisnik ovoga projekta, onda postoji veliki broj indirektnih korisnika koji će također imati koristi.
First of all, the farmers, because if you are increasing your capacities, it will increase also the demand for agricultural products, increasing also the capacities of the farmers in the value chain.
Jer u prvom redu poboljšanje vaših uslova pojačat će se potreba i za proizvodima koje proizvode farmeri, tako da će oni imati koristi od toga.
Other indirect beneficiaries, and maybe more important even, are the citizens of Montenegro.
Ostali indirektni korisnici ovoga projekta su građani Crne Gore uopšte.
Because with your investments, you are gradually aligning towards the EU standards in terms of food safety.
Jer vašim investicijama vi postepeno krećete ka EU standardima u smislu bezbjednosti hrane.
And by doing so, you are giving, let's say, more insurance to the Montenegrin consumers that what they are getting on their table is quality products, is safe products, and avoid a little bit the kind of scandals that we can see from time to time in the press about poor food or contaminated food.
Jer poboljšavanjem vaše proizvodnje i podizanjem kvaliteta vi obezbjeđujete crnogorskim građanima da na svom stolu imaju kvalitetnu i provjerenu hranu, izbjegavajući na taj način neke skandale koje se tiču sanitarnih inspekcija koje smo imali prilike da gledamo u skorijem vremenu.
As food processor, you are really an important actor in the food chain to guarantee that the food which is sold on the Montenegrin market and outside in the export market is safe.
Kao prerađivači hrane, vaša uloga je jako bitna u oblasti bezbjednosti hrane, ne samo što se tiče Crne Gore, nego i što se tiče izvoza.
And hopefully with these investments it will increase again the insurance that we can get in terms of food safety.
I kroz ove investicije vi ćete zasigurno pojačati taj nivo bezbjednosti koje hrana treba imati.
The investments in terms of storage, in terms of renewable energy, in terms of waste management, for instance, also have a global impact on the environment in this country, improving the protection of the environment in Montenegro.
Kroz ove investicije one će se doteći i korišćenje obnovljivih izvora energije i upotrebe korišćenje otpada, znači kontrola otpada, koje će također doprinijeti sigurnosti hrane.
And finally, this project is also giving us a better image and improving the cooperation between the different bodies in Montenegro, leading to better capacity building.
Također, ovim projektom će se pomoći da se u Crnoj Gori pojačavaju kapaciteti Crne Gore kao države.
The best image of that is that some of the applicants that are going to sign a contract today have already received a first support towards the first call. So it means really that the process that has been put in place, which was completely new for the Ministry of Agriculture to support this type of investment, has built some trust within the country, with you as beneficiaries, and hopefully it will continue in the future.
Neki od vas koji će danas potpisati ugovor već su bili potpisnici iz prvog IPARD-a, tako da to pokazuje da je Ministarstvo ruralnog razvoja stvorilo određene uslove i saradnju sa prerađivačima.
And this trust which has been built is really important for the future because, as you probably know, the next step will be to have another measure to support food business operators through the IPARD program, which should be launched hopefully by the end of the year in late September or October.
A ovo povjerenje koje se stvorilo je jako bitno zato što će vrlo brzo u septembru ili oktobru biti lansirana još jedna mjera IPARD-a.
And so this is to mean that there will be also other opportunities in the future, either for you to be beneficiaries again, either for others who have not been able to be beneficiaries right now, but to still expand their own business, to invest in modernizing their assets.
Tako da to znači da ćete vi koji danas potpišete također imati još jednu mogućnost da dobijete sredstva od IPARD-a kao i oni koji ovoga puta nisu bili obuhvaćeni ovim pozivom.
I really hope that the investments that you are planning to do will really make a difference for your own business, making it stronger, better, creating opportunities for jobs, as I said in the beginning, and I wish you really all success with your investments.
Nadam se da ćete ove investicije iskoristiti za jačanje svojih kapaciteta i još jednom želim vam svaku sreću sa vašim investicijama.